Welcome to the FTC scenario demonstration. We have prepared a demonstration of a water vending machine solution to showcase the usage scenarios of FTC products. Select the brand and drag to choose the quantity to purchase. You can scan a QR code for a discount coupon. Then select the payment method to complete the checkout process. The screen design in the project and the integration of external button function commands are completed through IDE, Integrated Development Environment, software packages. The FTC supports different resolutions, pixels, depending on the size of the FTC. The product utilizes the STM32H7 MCU, which is built as an MCU solution to provide a stable and cost-effective solution for a variety of applications. To meet different user needs, the IDE Integrated Development Environment offers a variety of design and customization options. Users can quickly and easily design and process according to specific application requirements. Easy learning curve. No need for additional tools. Quick development of human-machine interfaces using no-code, low-code methods.